Today is a beautiful day, and today I'm going to join the candle holder workshop here in Hong Kong.
So we need to pick some dry flowers, around 3 to 4 big size flower, and then you can pick some small flower too, just like that. You can just set off.
And you can see like here, usually the candle when we make it is like upside down. So when you come out it's like this. So when you put it front, remember this is the upper side. So later you can take it out and put it like this. This is the upper side.
Some people are born to be creative. People are really born with it. But for me, being creative is something that I have to learn.
So this is mine. So
This is the upper size.
here, right? Or inside?
It's inside, yes. Yeah.
And now you can feel it's a little bit sticky inside because you put some Vaseline inside. Why? Because it's like this kind of paraffin is really hard to take it out. So if you don't put this kind of like sticky thing inside, when you take it out, it will stick on the mold. Yeah. So we need to put it first. Yeah. Easier to release. So I'm gonna hit the paraffin first.
I'm worried because my creative side is 0. So I hope this will come out nicely.
Is it okay if we like try it here or
Yeah. Then you can cut the.
This is my first job.
Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun. And it's not about chasing perfection. It's about learning something.
Wow, so colorful. This stuff you can also buy here, right?
Yeah.
This one. Dito siya, oh. Ayan. Let's try this one. Am I doing right or
Yeah.
they look complicated already? What else do you think I can do with color? I think my color combination is really unknown. You know, struggling is real. Wow. This is one is there.
Small one.
Should I cut this one or this like this? Oh, parang maganda yung ano niya, leaves. Like the leaves is color. Just gonna put it here.
Sorry, how about just really gently, and then you can fix it. The position. You wanna try?
If you put in that one, when you light up, it will become like this. A little bit goes in and some.
Oh, that's pretty. Maybe here. Make a side a little bit.
I think I put purple and white. Yeah.
You can see which one.
Okay, that's really cool. We're gonna add all the colors. Oh, so pretty good.
Purple, white.
Ang ganda. Tapos na yan. Right, for now it's okay. So this is the paraffin wax, right?
Yes. So
You have to melt the paraffin wax.
Alam mo kasi pag masyado ng madami, parang mahirap ng i-work out. No?
Focus on the border.
Puti. Very neutral. Kasi nito na. Unti-unti na siya natunaw.
Later is there, so maybe I will help you to put it there.
Okay.
So later, first you can hold it like until here, a bit covering the upper white part. So you can stop and I will take it there. So after putting it in, you can turn and see if the flower goes down or not. Then later we can adjust it a bit. Then we can put it all cover to the top part. Then we will hold it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I pour now?
Yeah, get it.
Should I stop?
A bit more. Yeah. Cover like top. A bit more.
Sige pa, sige pa, sige, sige pa, sige pa, sige pa, sige pa, sige pa, sige, sige. Sige pa, sige pa. Okay, okay, okay. Yun siya.
Kasi yung pang sa baba.
Okay, then I will take it there.
Yes, the flowers did not move.
Yeah, it didn't move. And the flower doesn't move a lot, so then it's okay. So now we need to like put it like all cover it.
Are we gonna add more then?
Yeah, add more. Let me put more. Okay. Just cover it. It's okay. More. Yeah. Okay, a bit more.
Should be okay.
Yeah, a bit more. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Parang like kinemaster ka, diba? Kinemaster kasi for... So, pouring mo na para kumba. Moderate siya.
Energy. Wala smile, wala kakaon. Kusog.
You can do it! My God!
Yan. Finally, ano siya?
O, diba? Moment of truth. Oh, very pretty. Oh, very productive day.
Flower first.
Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you liked the video that I shared. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time to my next video. Please do join me there, and don't forget to check some of my videos also. For now, I'm signing out. See you next time. Stay safe, keep safe, and always be happy.
I-picture na ako.